Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO F21 Pro 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. Now from this screen here, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, select Send on an Android and Receive on OPPO. Then click on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to transfer a lot of files, so I will go with only one photo. Like that one, just send and click on Got It. Over here on OPPO, just no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and choose Receive button, but we can also scan this QR code by selecting scanning icon over here, choosing Allow or Only this time, and pointing our device's camera at the QR code. And now, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!